with us. My name is Marco. Together with me is joining us also Simone to give me support in the chat and the final part with the question and answers. Our program of webinar is going to finish soon because next week we will have the last one dedicated to the last product we are presenting this year. Thank you for joining us for this week's and thank you for supporting my try to present you all the novelty and innovation of book. The product of today, it's called Sector, and you can see around me is a new innovative family of round-shaped bollard that offer an incredible flexibility. So this is Sector, and now we see in details what is this new product. Here I have one with me. This is you see, it's a bollard, round shape. It's very modern, minimal, and elegant design. It's called Sector because in the upper part, in the head, you can see we have some window, we have some sections. That's why the name. This section can be selected, and this is the innovation of this product. So you can have the same product with different lighting emission. So you can choose which kind of light patterns you want to realize with this stuff. The particularity of this product is that it's presented in three different dimensions, three different height. We have the smaller one here in my hand, which is high 380 millimeters. Then we have 650 millimeters, and we have 1 meter. We will see later in details all the configuration we can select. In the head, we said we have 4 different windows, and we can realize up to 4+1 configuration also of lighting emission. So this is very innovative and performing product. Going a little bit in details, looking at this stuff, we can see that the head, with all the electronics and all the LED and so on, is connected to the rest of the body with no visible screw. This is a nice innovation for us, in respecting our new trend of creating product with very clean design with a few visible screws. The only visible screw you will see is in the lower part to fix the complete body to the base. And we say in this part, the connection between these two elements is realized by a mechanical junctioning that you can see here. You see these 3 black screws are fixed inside the head, inside the rest of the body, so you can make a complete connection with no visible screw. This is innovative and enhances the elegance of this product. Coming back to the head, all the electronic we say is built-in in the head. Also the driver. This product comes with an on-off driver, but is also available with a 1 to 10 or DALI dimmable driver, always built-in. And we see here the product comes with a EP-rated box where you will find inside a specific driver as per your selection. The LED, in this case, the light source is guaranteed by a high-power LED from Cree. In this case, we selected a model called XH70, which is a high-power LED. It's not standard middle power or chip on board. In order to guarantee a very high performances on this product, the LED is installed in the upper part of the product in order to avoid any kind of glaring or lighting pollution for this product. So the light will go down directly. It's combined with an optic from Ledil installed as well in the upper part, obviously, that has an asymmetrical diffusion that enhances the direction of the light. So we have a lighting emission that goes uniformly and obliquely through the selected windows. In this case, the light goes directly on the ground and you don't have any light leakage or anything. To complete these performances, being that you can select how many windows you want to have lighting windows open, we realize this special block, this bulkhead in aluminum, to close the unused window. In this case, we are going to complete the design and enhances the elegance of the product, and moreover to reduce any kind of light leakage. So this is all the innovation available for this product. Moreover, looking at the details, we can see that the upper part is not flat, but it's like a pitched roof in order to drain all the rainwater. So on this product, we check all the possible details to create almost a perfect product. I would like now to see with you in details which are the possible solution we can realize, a possible configuration for this product. Here we have the technical sheet. Okay, we say that is available in 3 different heights, this product. We start from the smaller one, it's called sector 380, because the dimension is 380 millimeters. Here we can see that is IP66 and IK10. As we said, is available also in DALI or 1 to 10 volt dimmable with the built-in driver. As accessory, we propose a specific base plate to make a proper installation inside the concrete. And then talking about the possible version, we can see that we have a multiple solution. We start with the smaller one, which is called 01, because obviously we have only one window open. We have 90-degree lighting emission. With this 90-degree, we can generate 6 watt of power, and choosing between 3000K warm white or 4000K neutral white, we can reach up to 550 lumen. Going ahead, we have the sector model 02. In this case, we see the double solution we propose, because we can have 2 windows open on the same side, reaching 180-degree lighting emission, or we can have 90 plus 90, so 2 window open on the opposite side, like the example I have here closer to me. In this case, we have 2 opening window to have a 90 plus 90. Hold on, we have a Nozer that raised the hand. Tell me, Mr. Nozer. If you have any specific question, don't be afraid, I'm here to answer. Allowed to talk, yeah. Tell us. Nozer, you can talk if you want.
Yeah. I've just joined. Hello. Yeah.
Hello, welcome.
Yeah, thank you. If I have any specific questions, I will definitely ask you.
Oh, okay. Sorry. I saw raised the hand. I thought you want to ask a dedicated question for this moment. Okay, no problem. So thank you for joining. We will, if you have any question, we are here to answer to you. Okay. Thanks a lot. Okay, so we come back to our technical details. We were talking about the sector 02. In this case, we say we have double option: 2 lighting window open on the same side, 180-degree, or 90 plus 90, so 2 opposite window open. In this case, the power is 12 watt, and we can reach the interesting lumen of 101,000 for the 4000K neutral white. Going ahead, we have the 03, so sector 03, 18 watt, 270-degree lighting emission, and we reach 1650 lumen for 4000K neutral white, going down to the most powerful one, the most complete one, 360-degree, which is 24 watt, and can reach the very impressive power of 2200 lumen. This is the technical details of the smaller one. As we said, sector is available in 3 different heights. So in this case, we see sector 650, which is 65 centimeters high. And here we can see some picture of how is the possible configuration we can have. Here down, we have the 2 solutions. We can have this lighting emission on one side or the opposite side. This is something the customer can choose depending on his request, his specific project. The technical details in talking about the power and the lumen are the same. The difference is between the dimension of the product. So going ahead, we will find also the sector 1000, which is the biggest one. And in this case, we can reach up to 1 meter, and the details are the same. Here we can see also the finishing available for this product. We have our texture gray RAL 9006 that I have here closer to me. The anthracite RAL 7016 that you can see behind me. And finally, on request, we also have the matte black RAL 9005. Okay, here we are. You can see behind me all the colors available. Most of the colors available. For sure, you can realize that we can request a specific color for a specific project, not a problem. The warranty on this product is still 5 years, like all the range of book. And we can see again a little bit in details this product. So the interesting thing we said, we have a multiple configuration. We can choose the height from 38 up to 1 meter high for this product. And we can select 4 plus 1 different solution in terms of lighting emission. Probably you will ask me, you cannot, let's say, remove or install this bulkhead locally, because when you order this product, you have to tell us which configuration you want. Also because the LED will be mounted in 4 different corners, and you cannot remove the bulkhead locally, because in this part there will not be LED installed, so it would be unuseful. So it's the configuration are multiple, but it's something we have to do here in the factory. You cannot do it locally. This is probably will be one question you will going to ask me. For the rest, we said IP66, IK010. The base can be completed with specific accessories to realize a very strong installation. We said special roof to let the water drain down. And we see the solution we found on this product. So it's very compact, very clean. We only have 3 small screws on the lower part, which is part of the new trend of POOC to realize only product with very few visible screws to enhance the design of the made in Italy and the elegance of the products. The interesting connection between the head and the rest of the extruded body is very revolutionary for us, that allowed us to make a very clean installation. IP rated box, LED upper part to reduce any kind of glaring or light leakages. So it's we have a multiple solution on this product. We have a question from Mr. Mark. Hello, Mr. Mark. Can we have it in other K like 2700? Well, you are quite familiar with us, with POOC. Let's say at the moment it's presented in 3000K and 4000K. If we have a reasonable quantity, you know, on request, we can evaluate to realize some customized version. It's not a problem. You know how POOC like to work, so we try to satisfy all your kind of requests. And I cannot say now yes, but we are considering this situation, because we saw that the 2700 in some it's for residential. No, okay. Mark say okay because it's for a residential area. No, we know that 2700 is part of the market. It's in some specific area of the world there is this kind of request. We can I cannot say yes officially, but let's say we can develop. We will discuss privately if you don't mind. And somebody else has some other question. We are happy to answer to all your kind of questions. Don't be afraid. Okay, thank you, Mr. Mark. I'll give you a call in next days, don't worry. So we can see here again the product. We say few visible screw, very compact one. The diameter is 150 millimeters if you need to know. And this is the solution with 2 opposite lighting window open and 2 of them closed. So in this case, you can have lighting emission on 2 sizes. It depends a lot by which kind of installation you have to make. For residential area, if you have a small pathway, you can find a different solution, just one way or a front and back. We have another question. Let's see. Mr. Akash, which LED chip are you using? And what's the MacAdam step for that chip? Okay, so the LED chip we say is a model from Cree. It's a high power LED multi-chip model XH70. I'll show you now on the technical, sorry. You can see down here, in this case, Cree XHP70 LED. So it's a high performance LED. For the MacAdam, Simone is going to help me on this question for sure. In the meantime, we have another question from Mr. Abdul. Use IP driver. For sure, we are using a driver from TCI, which is IP rated. This model, I think, is IP67, but I'm not sure. Moreover, the driver is also inside a specific IP rated box in order to protect it at all. So it's we already tested the kind of solution on other product of our range, so we are quite familiar with this kind of installation. You're welcome, my friend. Okay, do you have any other question? I like it because today we are quite smart and quite interactive. No question at all. Come on, don't be afraid. Not biting. In the meantime, I would like to remind you that all the previous webinars and also this one, the previous one has been already uploaded on our website and on our YouTube channel. Look at the way. Yeah, I'll do it, Mark. Don't worry. So they are available on the website and YouTube channel, so you can see it. You can also download it if you lost the previous one. Look at the wave. Yes, but the problem is that in the showroom I have a lot of lights. So behind me you can see this is a four-way. Let's see if I can make some lighting games. I'm going to turn off this one. We make an experiment, Mark. I don't know. I have to turn down the lights. Try to remove this one. Remove this one. Going in the night. Consider that we are in the lower part and we are lighting a wall in the wrong way. So probably the performances in this area are not so high, but you can see the lighting emission is so strong. Maybe you can see a little bit on the wall here, the shadow, the same. Unfortunately, we didn't have the time to arrange a proper area to... You sure? I thought the same. Maybe I thought it was interesting on this product. No, Simone is writing that maybe Mark was asking to see the other product, the Wave 2.0 that we did a couple of weeks ago. We have the wall mount. Mark, today we are talking about sector. I cannot make a spin-off during the webinar. It's complicated. Oh, we have another question from Anonymous. He's saying, are these bollards suitable for residences close to seashore? Do you have any special surface treatment for such installation? Nice question. Oh, yes, the answer is yes, for sure, because today we didn't mention, but all our product or our aluminum product has a special treatment in terms of painting, power-coated painting, made up by about 13 different steps and layers in order to guarantee a very high corrosion resistance. So for sure, we are more than ready to work on seashore area at all. Okay. We can organize private Zoom meeting to talk about Wave 2.0 and other issue if you want. Okay, okay. Simone is supporting me on the chat. Okay, any other question? Don't be afraid, and you see people today are enjoying the discussion.
Marco?
Yes, Simone, I hear you.
We have another question from Abdul Kader.
Okay.
Previous, still on the general chat, previous to my last comment.
Okay, so Abdul said, sorry for Uplight also use IP driver now, because before we had problems with Uplight drivers.
The answer is yes, because we upgraded all the in-ground range to IP rated driver.
Yeah, yeah. No, we did a lot of update on the in-ground family. Talking about starting from the driver, we also realized a new special sealing for the stuff. The driver now has been installed in the upper part with a special flange in order to avoid any kind of problem with the infiltration of water. So the solution on the uplights are very interesting. And also with Mr. Abdul, if you want, we can make a direct discussion on it. We can make a specific meeting where I can show you all the innovation for the same. Okay, Mr. Nozer. I read the question on high voice, if you don't mind. Sorry, that question for the surface treatment was from me. What is the warranty you offer on the surface treatment, as clients are particularly about the warranties? The warranty, nice question. Thank you for asking us. The warranty of all the range of book product is 5 years. And the warranty is covering all the possible situation can occur. So starting from the components, starting from LED, from the glass, from the driver, from the cable, everything is under warranty, as well as for the painting. So also if you have any kind of rusty situation, the warranty will intervene and will solve you the problem during these 5 years of working of the product. Making product for outdoor, we are quite familiar with the weather condition and environment. So don't worry, we know what we do. Thank you for the question. Do you have any other? Can you explain the ground fixing of sector again, please? Yes, Mr. Graham. Well, unfortunately, I don't have here the accessories, but you can see in the lower part, we have this plastic material base, which is quite depth, is connected to the rest of the body with only 3 stainless steel screws. And I repeat, these are the only screws you can see on this product. This product can be combined using this 3 hole. You can directly drill on the concrete. But if you want, we say we have an accessories, which is a metal, how can I say, like a metal spike that has to be fixed inside the concrete, deeply in the concrete, that can allow you a proper hanging system. So you will fix directly on them. In that case, the resistance will not be only a few centimeters on the surface, but will go down for about 30 centimeters in the concrete. So in that case, even if you crash with a car, probably you will break it, but it will be strong enough to support it. I think you appreciate the answer. Okay. Any other request? How we can discuss about it? Ask Abdul. No, Abdul, I mean, we can make a private meeting, Zoom meeting, and we'll show you all the details, all the upgrades that we made for the product. During this webinar, no, we are talking about a product, and also people attending is interesting on the product, probably. It's not a problem for us. The question? Don't be afraid. Come on. Today I like it. You are more open. I show you again the head with the IP-rated box, the special connection to fix on the base, on the rest of the body. The product is made obviously in a die-cast aluminum high corrosion resistance. It's completed by rubber sealing in the upper part in 3 different points, and also all the rest is sealed perfectly. So even if you have a strong rain, you don't have any kind of issue on this product. No other question? Nobody else? I remind you that next week we will have the last last webinar dedicated to another bollard, the smaller one we introduced this year, which is called Tron. We will see also in that case a lot of innovative solution we found out to realize an innovative product. If you don't have any other request, we can close.
We have an additional question by Nozer.
Okay.
Asking if we can customize the height of the bollard according to expected quantities. And also in this case, the answer is yes, Mr. Nozer, because the pole of the bollard is, of course, extruded aluminum. Being an extruded part, we can cut it at the desired length, let's say.
Yeah.
So we can make it even higher versions, or versions with height in the middle, in between 2 of the standard series, 2 of the standard sizes we have. With the standard height we selected, that are 3 heights, we think we are covering almost 99% of the possible applications for those kind of products. But at the same time, we are open and free to evaluate possibility to make it customized lengths, customized heights.
Yeah. Nice question. Thank you, Simone. Nice answer as well. Yeah, so if you have special requests in terms of dimension in this case, or finishing, or also about the light source, we can discuss directly, and we can realize customized version, no problem. Not an issue. On request, we can make almost everything. So if you don't have any other question, we thank you for participating to this webinar, and waiting to meet you next week for the latest one. And I repeat, also this webinar will be uploaded on our website and YouTube channel, so you are free to watch it again. For the rest, thank you for joining us. Simone, we can close. What do you say?
Yes, I think the webinar is over. Thank you everybody for participating. If you have additional question, just write us an email. You have all the contact details of Marco and mine. Thank you very much once again, and expect for your participation on next webinar appearing next week.
Okay, so thank you everybody. Wish you a great day and a great weekend.
Thank you.
Summer is coming, eh? Good. Thank you. Bye-bye.